Hi, this is Jamie Klossmeyer. I'm going to discuss the website quantumifyoucan.org. The site was developed by the FINRA Investor Foundation. The purpose of the site is that it provides an interactive game to teach students real-world scenarios of how people may try to scam them out of money so that they can better protect themselves. I chose this website because I thought it was a very unique financial literacy game, and especially in the game, the role of the user is as of the con artist, not the victim. While that seems a little bit scary to me, I do think it makes it a little more exciting for the user. And I did have a hard time finding any games that were related to investor fraud or an investor type of security. So I thought it was very unique in the content and also how the user role is set up. Um, as you can see, I've listed the IST standards that I feel apply to this game, and I do feel the audience would most likely be a high school student as it is a little bit advanced in the content. So to get started, let's go to quantumifyoucan.org. If you look at the fraud tools tab, these are short little 2-minute videos that explain essentially the ways that people try to scam you. So the different methods, so phantom riches, source credibility. So the user really needs to watch these short videos because these are the key terms that are going to be used to play the game. You can also meet the characters or just take a quick quiz just to make sure that you understand what some of these terms mean. So in order to play the game, we're just going to scroll down, click play. It will take a little bit of time to load. There is typically some sound that goes with this too, but I do have it muted for the purpose of this video. So just keep that in mind. If you go to play it, and we're going to click play again. So the purpose of this game is to make your way through this fictitious town, going to these different locations, and you essentially try to match the method and essentially try to scam these different people. So again, keep in mind you are the con artist, and you're trying to scam people out of money. So again, that's a little bit scary, but I think it's unique. And so you get a specific bank of money that you can use to purchase these tools. And then the correct answers allow you to get more money, or false answers, and then you lose money. So I think it's a little bit complicated, but again, the topic's pretty complicated. I think I would use this more in a class setting, whereas the instructor would be leading it and we would participate as a class. But again, I chose this because I really thought that it was unique and in all of my research didn't find anything like it. And so that's one of the reasons that I chose to talk about this tool. So I hope you like Quantum if you can. Thanks for listening.